Hi everybody, welcome back to Knack 3D Designs. So on Tuesday I get this email from UPS telling me I'm getting a 14-pound package from a company called Excelsior Integrated. I'm going, a 14-pound package? I have no idea what this could be. Oh, wait, could it be my Mosaic Palette too? So I email Mosaic and they go, yep, that's our shipping company. So it showed up today. So let's unbox it and see what we got. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Okay. Is the suspense killing you yet? Right. Nice thick packing material here. Our manual. And the item we've all been waiting for. Wow, that's heavy. So we got a palette. I'm assuming some mounting stands here. Bowden tube. Not sure what these are for either. Gonna have to read the manual on all this. And that looks like everything that's in the box. Inside this box. Power plug adapters, and our multi-voltage power supply, and in this box we have our SD card, some Velcro pieces for something, USB cord, a sticker. We love stickers. Ooh, multiple stickers. A flathead screwdriver, and I saw something fall out. I'm not sure what those are exactly. So that's everything that comes in the box. Okay, so I've had some time to flip through the manual. I'm sure everybody was really hoping I'd take the front cover off, so there's your view inside of the palette. This is your stand. If you want to put it on your desk, it just slides right in underneath like that. Well, let you stand your palette up. These rods and the triangles here are actually spool holders. Who would have thought? They actually sent us something to hold the spools. A rep box it's not, but you know, hey, can't have everything right off the bat. There's our spool holder. There's a mounting bracket to mount on your wall or cabinet or the back of your printer, I guess, if so inclined. These are, let me make sure I use the right term here. These are spare splice core Teflon tubes. The Bowden tube actually has a proper end to plug into the machine and another end to go into your extruder clip. This mounts right on your, somewhere right on your extruder, I guess, to line up with it. So I have to figure that out. Admittedly, I did not get online and research this a lot before it came. Been busy with another project that you all get to see real soon. And, well, the rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. Alright, so last thing I want to do is fire this thing up real quick. Just make sure it powers on. Before I do that, yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to pull off the magic plastic. I'm going to hope and pray when we apply power we don't let out the magic smoke. I flipped through the manual. I don't see any warning before powering on. Do this, that, remove this, remove that. I don't see any green tabs anywhere other than that one piece on the screen. So I'm going to hope this is just plug and play. Got my power supply plugged in. I'll plug it into the side of the palette. And cross your fingers, I'm going to hit the power switch. Nada. Oh, okay. Our universal power supply. Isn't making good contact in my plug. There we go. Just had to bend the prongs out a little bit. New firmware for your Palette 2 is available, and instructions. So it looks like it powers up, looks like it works, and give me some time to play with this, and hopefully we'll have more coming to you. Well, I hope you all enjoyed my quick little unboxing video of the Mosaic Palette 2. It's my first unboxing video. I'm sure I could have done better, but hopefully we'll get this thing hooked up and printing. I just need to finish building a special project printer I'm working on to hook this thing up to, and we'll get it going. So remember, if it ain't broke, upgrade it. Not that I have the slightest clue how to upgrade this, but we'll see you next time.